In this video I'm going to tell you about the method I use when I set up my drum kit. You could use this on the kick drum, on the drum throne, on the hi-hat, just about anything here, but there's a ton of parameters that you can set up on a drum kit. So what's the right, how do you know what's right for you? Well, the first thing I do is, let's take the bass drum beater for instance here. I want to know what kind of tension should I have in this spring, for instance. Okay, so what do? I put it really soft and really stiff. That way I can get two extreme points, and then it will be obvious to me when I play, okay, so this is what the stiffer spring is gonna feel like, and this is what a softer spring is gonna feel like. You know the extreme points, and then you can put it in the middle, and then you can start to move in the direction that you want. And that's probably the fastest way to find out what's right for you. And you can do the same thing with the drum throne. Put it really high and really low, and then you can start in the middle and you know what direction you should go on. If you just do tiny adjustments, it's very hard to find what's right for you. So try it out. See ya.